Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tutorials simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to insert an affiliate link in Google Sites for 2025. If you're an affiliate marketer or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you monetize your site effortlessly. By the end, you'll be adding links like a pro, driving traffic and earning commissions in no time. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your Google Sites page open. It's super straightforward. Head to sites.google.com and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in, click the Edit button to start modifying your page. This puts you in a user-friendly editing mode. Step 1. Choose the spot for your affiliate link. This could be a piece of text, like, "Check out this amazing product," or an image. Simply highlight the text or select the image to prepare it for linking. Step 2. Look for the link tool in the toolbar. It's usually an icon that looks like a chain link. Click it, and a pop-up window will appear. Here, paste your affiliate link. Remember, for 2025 updates, Google Sites might have enhanced security, so double-check that your link is from a reputable source to avoid any issues. Step 3. Customize your link if needed. Add a display name or alt text for better user experience, then hit Apply or Insert. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top. Step 4. Test your link. Preview your site and click the affiliate link to ensure it directs to the right page. This step is crucial to confirm everything works smoothly and you're complying with affiliate program rules. A quick tip. In 2025, Google emphasizes user privacy, so use UTM parameters in your links to track performance without compromising data. This will help you analyze clicks and optimize your strategy. And there you have it. Inserting an affiliate link in Google Sites is that easy. If you follow these steps, you'll be set for success. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.